I'm just right here unboxing this GNCC indoor cam package. It comes with 4 cameras. I've unpacked just one right here. There's 4 cameras exactly like this in the box. Let's pull them out. And they each come individually wrapped. They're pretty lightweight. They come with a cover here. And then we've got all the bits and pieces in there. So we've got the wires, the chargers to hook them up. They each come with their own individual charger, which is really nice. You don't have to go scrambling to find any. So we've got the chargers here, the 4 wires, and then if you want to mount, it comes with all the mounting supplies as well.